Python extract pattern matches. I am trying to use a regular expression to extract words inside of a pattern. I have some string that looks like this. I want to extract the word my underscore user underscore name. I do something like how do I extract my underscore user underscore name now?
You need to capture from regex. Search for the pattern. If found, retrieve the string using group index. Assuming valid checks are performed.
You can use matching groups. For example, here I use re.findAll rather than re.search to get all instances of my underscore user underscore name. Using re.search, you'd need to get the data from the group on the match object. As mentioned in the comments, you might want to make your regex non-greedy. To only pick up the stuff between name and then the next is valid, rather than allowing your regex to pick up other is valid in your group.
You could use something like this.
You can use groups, indicated with and comma, to capture parts of the string. The match object's group method then gives you the group's contents. In Python 3.6+ you can also index into a match object instead of using group.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.